Cleopatra Enterprise is one of the most talked about construction management software solutions, but is it the right choice for your business? In this video, we'll go through 12 things you need to know before making your decision, comparing it to other popular tools in the market. The first thing to consider is its project management capabilities. Cleopatra Enterprise excels in managing large, complex projects, offering tools like cost estimation, scheduling, and budgeting all in one platform. However, if you're looking for a simpler, more user-friendly option, software like Buildertrend may be a better fit, especially for smaller teams. Next thing, pricing. Cleopatra's pricing structure is often seen as more flexible than other software in the industry. However, it's on the higher end compared to platforms like Procore or CoConstruct, which can offer competitive pricing with similar functionality. Keep in mind that Cleopatra Enterprise's pricing is more suitable for mid-sized to large companies with significant project management needs. The third thing is user interface and experience. While Cleopatra Enterprise is powerful, its interface can feel overwhelming to new users. It's more complex than some competitors like Buildertrend or Procore, which are designed with a cleaner, more intuitive interface. If ease of use is a priority, those options might better suit your needs. The fourth thing is integration options. Cleopatra Enterprise offers a variety of integration options, including accounting and ERP systems, but it doesn't always integrate as seamlessly with third-party tools as some other platforms, like Procore or CoConstruct. If you rely heavily on integrating with other software, this might be a drawback. Next, let's talk about scalability. Cleopatra Enterprise shines here. It's designed to grow with your company, offering robust tools for large-scale projects and enterprises. If you're looking for something scalable as your business expands, Cleopatra is a solid choice. On the other hand, smaller businesses might find more value in lighter platforms like Buildertrend. The sixth thing is mobile app functionality. Cleopatra Enterprise does offer a mobile app, but its capabilities aren't as strong as those found in software like Procore, which has a highly rated mobile app for managing construction tasks on the go. If you're managing projects in the field, this could be a factor in your decision. The seventh thing is cost estimation features. Cleopatra Enterprise is well known for its accurate and detailed cost estimation tools, which are unmatched in some areas. However, if your main need is simple budgeting, other software like CoConstruct might provide a simpler, more accessible option. Next, let's talk about reporting and analytics. Cleopatra Enterprise excels in offering detailed, customizable reports and analytics, perfect for large organizations needing data-driven insights. However, if you don't need that level of detail, more basic reporting features found in tools like Buildertrend may be all you need. The ninth thing to note is its customer support. Cleopatra Enterprise provides solid customer service, but some users report longer response times compared to competitors like Procore, which are known for their more responsive support teams. The 10th thing is customization options. Cleopatra Enterprise offers a high degree of customization, which allows businesses to tailor the software to their specific needs. This is a huge plus for larger, more complex organizations. However, if you're a smaller company, the amount of customization might feel unnecessary, and a simpler system could be more efficient. Next up is training and onboarding. Because of its complexity, Cleopatra Enterprise may require more extensive training to fully harness its capabilities. If you're a smaller team with limited resources, you may want to consider something more intuitive, like Buildertrend, which offers more straightforward onboarding. The 12th and final thing to consider is its market reputation. Cleopatra Enterprise is highly respected in the industry and often chosen by large construction firms. But if you're a smaller company, platforms like CoConstruct or Buildertrend may be a better match, offering simpler interfaces and more budget-friendly pricing. So, is Cleopatra Enterprise a good option for your business? It definitely has the tools and scalability to manage complex construction projects. But if you want something that's simpler, more affordable, and just as effective for smaller to medium-sized companies, we recommend checking out our